Ever struggle with unwrapping candy canes without them snapping into pieces? I know the frustration all too well. Hi everyone, I'm Arina, and today I'm going to reveal a quick and easy method to unwrap a candy cane without breaking it. As a baker who loves using candy canes in my holiday recipes, I've discovered a simple trick that saves time and keeps the candy canes intact. In the past, I used the traditional twist method to unwrap candy canes, but it was always a hit or miss experience. I'd end up with a pile of candy cane shards instead of a perfectly intact one. Talk about a sticky situation. That's when I decided to find a better way. Let's get started. First, you'll need an X-Acto knife and your wrapped candy cane. Having the right tools makes all the difference in preventing breakage. Next, lightly cut the wrapper on one side along the length of the candy cane. You don't need to push too hard, just enough to create a small incision. This step is crucial as it gives you a starting point to peel the wrapper away smoothly. Now find where you made the cut and gently start to unwrap the candy cane. Take your time and be gentle to ensure the wrapper comes off easily without breaking the candy cane, and there you have it, a perfectly unwrapped candy cane, ready to be used in your favorite holiday recipes or as a festive decoration. I love using these unwrapped candy canes in treats like my Candy Cane Fudge and easy Peppermint Cupcakes. They add a wonderful festive touch and taste amazing. I hope you found this method helpful. Remember, a little patience goes a long way in keeping your candy canes intact. Happy holidays and enjoy your perfectly unwrapped candy canes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday tips and recipes. See you next time.